Okay, hold on. This is what you see. A dog eating hot fries. Like, seriously. He's eating these. Oh my gosh, look at his face, bruh. For real, look at his face. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, bruh. If he start having an asthma attack from someone, you. But why is he still eating these if they hot?
Give me these. Give me these.
I hope he bites you, bruh. Jimmy, don't do that. He could choke. And he got asthma and bronchitis. Did you just fart? But that's some ugly. Woo! Woo! Stop it! Oh! Oh my! What the crap, dude? What the crap? Oh my god! But he's still eating these. But, oh my god! What did you do? That a bomb! That ain't funny. Are you done? You done? No, you are done. No, you are done. Move. Move. No, he will not eat the rest of these. Look at his face. Well, why don't you stop? No, that's enough. That is enough. Get off my bed. No, he's had enough. Dang, he done ate the whole bag. Almost the whole bag.
Do you like that smell in your room? It's called
fart. That's nasty. Well, you know what? This ain't your girl, LJ. And your girl, Miss Kella. Not necessary at all.
meow, meow.
See what I mean?
Meow.
Necessary. Cole. You still eating? But he's tearing these jokers up. Well, you know what? Bye. See y'all later.
Bye.
FYI, this going on YouTube. So bye, YouTube. Silent.